Hey guys, welcome back to Fusion Cuisine. In this video, you'll see how to make this delicious and instant coconut laddu in less than 30 minutes. Let's take a quick look at the recipe. Here I have taken fresh coconut and as you can see, I have peeled the outer layer as well. You can use the desiccated coconut instead of the fresh ones. Now, in case you have no time, this trick is for you. Add the coconut pieces into a blender and give it a pulse for 2-3 times. Keep checking after every 1 minute. And there it is. Look at the texture, similar to a grated coconut. Life gets easy. Next, take a heavy bottom pan and to this add the coconut and some sugar. Cook this on a low to medium flame. And very important, keep stirring without any pause. Saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture starts to thicken. Let's do a quick check if the mixture is able to bind properly. Great. Now at this point, off goes the flame. Let this mixture cool down a bit. Now if you still want to make it more healthy, this is the second way of making coconut laddu. So instead of adding sugar, we'll add jaggery. And this will equally taste good. So this is up to you. Once it is done, at this stage you can form the laddus. Well, now let's go back to our first step of making the coconut laddu, and this is with the sugar. So while the mixture is still warm, scoop out a mixture and shape it to form a round laddu, somewhat like this, and then repeat the process to make the rest of the laddus. There it is, our instant delicious coconut laddus are ready. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching Fusion Cuisine and I'll be back with my next video very soon. Until then, bye bye.